Hi friends, this video shows how to block adult content and violent materials from children. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, set one profile, go down, set Google Assistant, go down. Here you can see save search filter. Right now this option has been disabled. That means right now anybody can search for adult content and violent material. If you want to block adult content and violent materials, you have to enable this option. So let me enable, done. So this way we can block. If you want to unblock, you have to disable it, done. Okay, so this way we can enable or disable this option. That way we would be able to control adult content and violent materials from children. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.